Senator Heller understands the power of aid, and we're grateful for his support and service. It's my honor to turn it over to Senator Heller.
Thank you. All right, well, great. It's wonderful to be here, and it's a great crowd, too, so I want to thank everybody and welcome you to Washington, D.C. I have my beautiful bride with me of 31 years with me today, and that's the reason the weather's nice. If you're wondering why, that's why. And if you're wondering why I'm not staying for dinner, that's why. Well, thank you very much for the Sentinel Award. I want to make a couple of comments. I was taking a look at your group and organization. My staff printed this out. And it goes on and on and on. I'm going to tell you, I'm impressed. The only thing that disappointed me is my name wasn't in there somewhere. Because I have to believe that you deserve a lot of credit for being on this list. But so I went through there looking for names from Nevada. You know, I guess I'm going to go to this particular event. There's got to be a name from Nevada. And sure enough, I found Mari right here. And glad to have a constituent out of this whole list. That's her. So, Mari, congratulations. I just have a few words. This is much more casual than I had anticipated, so I'll make my comments brief, but I want to thank you for the award. There's a couple of issues, but of course this has to do with the Cadillac tax and some of the things that we did there. There's another perhaps potential recipient at some point, and that's a senator from New Mexico that was very, very helpful in getting this done. Actually, this particular senator grew up in Nevada. So I call him Nevada's third senator, and those who are from New Mexico know Martin Heinrich quite well. Yay! Martin's a good friend of mine. He took a Republican and Democrat to work together. You don't see a lot of that today in Washington, D.C., but for us to work together in order to make this happen made a big difference. And I will tell you what the turning point was, because you know the administration was completely opposed to the repeal of for that matter, the 2-year delay of the Cadillac tax. And they didn't think there were enough votes in the Senate to make a difference. So when we had the Budget Reconciliation Act, and we put an amendment, both myself and Senator Heinrich, the vote was 90-10. I think that kind of woke the administration up. But maybe there was a movement here in America that perhaps this 40% excise tax was a little bit more onerous than that they had anticipated. So quickly we got a change from the White House. Okay, you win. That was basically the message to us, you win. Okay, we'll do a 2-year delay. My objective is to repeal the excise tax. I think most of you in here probably would agree with that. But I'll tell you, the delay was very helpful, and over time, we're going to kill this thing. So it is a signature issue for this administration. That's why they don't want to make the changes. I can understand that. We will have a new president, whoever that might be. If anybody wants to tell me who that's going to be, it has changed the dynamics of politics in this country like I have never seen. And I've been in elected office for 25 years, and I thought I knew a little bit about presidential politics. I found out exactly what I don't know. And that's a lot. So, having said that, I want to thank you for the Sentinel Award. I told the gentleman here earlier, you have my back, I have yours. So we'll work together. I want to thank this organization, this group. The reason this happened, the reason we got the delay on the Cadillac tax is because of your work. Your hard work and effort talking to members on this Hill and a lot of other people to send that message. So we can't do that without you. There's no way that the success that we've seen so far on the delay of this would have happened without your organizations and other organizations very similar to yours. So anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for having me. And again, thank you very much for the award. I've got a great place for this.
This way, please.